Okay, walk to the edge. Slowly.
Oh my God.
Yeah, don't hold anything.
It's so heavy.
Just walk to the edge. I want you. Yes. Keep going. All the way to the edge. All the way to the edge. Come this side a little bit. This side.
Where do I hold?
You don't have to hold anything. Just jump over.
Wait. Not clear, wait. Can I let out? No. I'm so scared.
Okay, listen to me. All you have to do is just wait and look on the mountain. That's mountain. And once I count 3, 2, 1, you just take one step and jump.